Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have your Genesys username, extension, and the softphone installed. Once you have those, plug in a wired headset and verify network stability so audio is reliable. Next, open the Genesys client and sign in with your credentials. If multi-factor is required, complete it now. Make sure your agent role and queue assignments appear in the dashboard, because that determines available functions and routing as we move into call handling. Once logged in, you'll manage live calls. Answer or decline, then use hold and transfer for efficient routing. If you need another team member, start a blind or consult transfer and join the conference line. Listen for prompts before merging. Toggle mute and set your presence so supervisors know availability, and apply wrap-up codes after each call to record outcomes. Make sure to pull up the CRM pop automatically so you have customer history, because context speeds resolution and improves first call closure. To finish, log out of the Genesys client and sign out of all queues so calls won't route to you. If you encounter issues, no audio, dropped calls, or missing features, restart the client first, then clear the app cache and try a wired network. Often that resolves latency or audio codec problems. If problems persist, capture screenshots, note timestamps, and contact your admin for permission errors or queue misrouting, because they can check server-side routing and user roles to fix the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.